John, in conversation with Central Bank Governor Mark Carney at the Council of Foreign Relations this morning, Larry Fink acknowledging that Bitcoin has caught the attention and the imagination of many people. It's still untested, pretty small relative to other markets, and he says it is seeing big giant moves every day, but it's a thin market. Can it evolve into something real, a global market? Fink said possibly. He also noted that having a digital currency has a real impact on the US dollar, making it less relevant, not for Americans, but international holders of dollar-based assets. He did also raise the question that I think many economists and executives are wrestling with. Does it change the need for the dollar as a reserve currency? In other words, John, are there other ways to efficiently transact overseas as well as here in the U.S.? Fink really joining a prominent number of high-profile voices, Melissa, in the past couple of weeks that are saying, yes, this move that we're seeing in Bitcoin and digital currencies in general, it is generating active discussion, and it's something that they're watching very closely.
Yep, Guggenheim, right? Paul Tudor Jones, Druckenmiller, the list goes on and on these days. Seema, thank you. Seema Modi.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.